Building a strong core is essential for overall balance and stability every day. Start with the plank, holding your body straight to activate every core muscle. Next, transition smoothly to the glute bridge, lifting your hips to feel the burn. Now balance your body with bird dog, extending opposite arm and leg steadily. Engage deeply during dead bug exercises to stabilize your spine with control. As strength grows, introduce reverse crunches by lifting hips and drawing knees close. Accelerate your progress with bicycle crunches, engaging abs in a twisting motion. Side planks challenge your lateral stability by maintaining a straight, strong line. Remember to engage your core throughout for maximum effect and injury prevention. Consistency and gradual progress form the foundation for a balanced, powerful core.